Let's start our next video, which is dictionary in Python, which is dictionaries. Now let's see what are dictionaries, how we can see dictionaries, and how we can store dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in a form of key and a value pairs. Like it will take one in dictionary, it will be in a curly braces, and it will have a compulsory a key and a value, key and a value, key and a value, and a key and a value makes a one item. So understand it, like in list we can store the various data types like integer, tuple, and dictionaries. Sorry, in list we can store various data types like integer, float, and strings, and in same as in tuple. But here in dictionaries we have a method called item. Item consists of key and a value. For every key there will be, for every item there will be having key and a value. So let's see in Python Jupyter Notebook how we will practice it. So now I am taking the dictionary. uh, is dictionary is equals to d. I am taking a container where I dictionaries are denoted, like we need to take in curly braces, then we need to give a key and a value. Like I am taking a k1 as a key, then I am storing 1 2 3. Now mm, now let's take k2, then I am storing it like uh, 2.2. I am storing it 2.2. Then k3, now it will I am taking a string Python. So now understand it, what basically it is doing. The key value should be in a braces, like in a, like this is a that one, it will take as a string. So that's what we need to take in single or double quoted. See what happened. If I d run it, then we will give a k value, a k2 value, k3 value. So the error it was getting, like we need to give a single brackets or a double brackets in it. So now let's see what we can do. So d, as we can see, we got the output. For this d, now we need to do, now we can store various. S is equals to, now I am taking in a tuple like s is equals to, uh, like I am taking one as apple. Now I am taking two as two as banana. Then I am taking three as then three as I am taking, I've taken another fruit called pineapple. So now I can store multiple like four also I can store, and I will call it as mango. So now if I run it, so now I can run it easily. So these are the easiest way for storing the dictionary's values. So now for indexing the dictionary, how we can indexing it. So as we know in the previous method way, like if we want to take it, if we want to take the indexing, we need to take the container name with the brackets, and we need to write the index value. But here in dictionary it is not the same, because if we run it now, if I run this one, it will give me an error. See, let's see and watch it what happens. See what error it is saying, like it is saying what is this zero. It will basically, we need to give like key value. Like if I want to call s, now if I want to call s1, then it will take apple. We want to call the call the dictionary values like key values. Now as I see D, I am running it, I am getting the dictionary values. Now if I want to call the first value like 123, I want to call it, then I need to take the dictionary value name. Like here it is the K1, so I need to take K1 and run it. It will give me error if I give 0, or if I take as 1, it will give me error. What is this 1? So it will ask me. Now the way of indexing is that we need to take a bracket, then we need to write the key values like this. So for indexing it is very easy, we need to give only key values. For the slicing also it is same process. In slicing also we need to take the container name, and we need to mention from where we are calling. Like I am calling from K1 to K2. Unhashable slicing we can't do in dictionaries. So indexing is the easy process. Now if I want to like add up, see we can do like if I say D, run it, then if I want to change this 2.9, if I want to change this Python to an various thing, if for that I can do uh, uh, calling the container name with the brackets, then I am calling K3, then I'm replacing it with Python is very easy. So if I run it now, if I say K, so as you can see, the D dictionary will be changes to Python is very easy. So this process is very simple. Dictionaries are very simple. Just you need to practice it. Just it is a very simple method. It has the key with a value. The simple as that, we need to give key with a value. So let's begin with our next video and we will see further ahead.